Hello everyone. My name is Franklyne Abung'ana. Welcome to my online tutorials, where I give you the insight on emerging technological issues affecting matters in education. Subscribe to my channel, so that you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Subscription is free, you won't be charged anything. Instead, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome, and keep on learning.
Hi there, are you a parent or a guardian? And you'd like to know how to monitor the progress of your child through the KNEC CBA assessment portal? Now you can do that right away from the comfort of your home. Today I'm going to show you how you can access your learners' assessments straight away from your home using any device that you're using to access the internet. It can be a mobile phone or your handset, or a laptop, a tablet, and what have you. So straight away, I want to take you through this exercise. Now first of all, open the browser of your choice. With me, I'm using Google Chrome. Now go to the search box, or you can move at the top here. That is the address bar. Now what you're supposed to do, just type in that address bar KNEC Portal. KNEC is KNEC, and then followed by the word portal. In other words, just type this in that address bar. Once you are done, search or hit the enter key on your keyboard if you are using a laptop for that case, or a desktop. Next, you will see the search results. You can see there are about 389,000 results, but the first option is the best one, that is a KNEC Portal. So select this link. Now we will come to this interface, the Kenya National Examinations Council Examination Registration and Result Processing System. So you will see this interface. Next, move down to Grade 3 Portal and select. Now you will see this interface whereby we have a place to log in using the username and the password. So forget about this. It is for the school. The school has the credentials to log into the system. But for the parent or the guardian, you don't need that. What you're supposed to do, just move down here, and you're told that to check the details of your child, click here. So we have view learner details. So click on this tab. You will see the following. We have this section where you're supposed to select a grade from the drop down. Here we have the various grades and levels. And then we have the second box. This is a search box where you type or key in the learner's assessment number. Now I'm going to do just that. Now, just in case assessment number of your child, you can ask or contact your child's school so that you are given the assessment number. You can only view your learner's assessments if you have his or her assessment number. That's why you need to contact your child's school for you to get access to the system. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. Now select the class or the grade of your learner. Let's say your learner is in grade 5. These two are for special children, the foundation and intermediate. This one is for the normal levels, that is the age-based levels, and this one we call them stage-based levels. So we have grade 3, grade 4, grade 5 under the age-based level. So your learner is in grade 5, select grade 5, and then you key in the assessment number. Key in the assessment number. So this is the assessment number. Once you have done that, just hit find. It's still searching, just give it time. Sometimes the network is normally too low. Good. There we are. You can see the results. So you will see the assessment number of your child, the name of your child, gender, the school code, and the name of the school. Another thing you will see, it is the grade or the current grade of your learner, and then the pathway the child is under, age-based pathway. Next, you'll be in a position to see learning areas with scores. So it will show you the scores, and then out of the learning areas are what you used to call the subjects. These are the subjects. You have a total of 14 subjects in grade 5. So when they upload the marks, it will show you how many learning areas have the marks, and then you can select a given learning area in this section and view the marks respectively. Currently, there is nothing to show because I have not yet uploaded the learners' assessments into this system. But once we do that, I will come again with another review of this tutorial so that I can show you on how you can view the learners' marks. I think that is something good to you as a parent or a guardian, because all of us, we need to know the progress of our learners at school.
I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If so, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and share. Above all, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell on so that you don't miss out on my upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching. See you then.